Supercharge your vocabulary. Master idiomatic expressions with mnemonics. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to discuss a very exciting topic: how you can use mnemonic devices and memory aids to learn and remember idiomatic expressions in English. Now, you might be wondering why these techniques are so important. We'll explore that in depth, and by the end of this video, you'll have some powerful new tools to enhance your English skills. Let's get started. Mnemonic devices are techniques that help us remember information by associating it with easy-to-remember constructs. They leverage visualization, association, rhymes, and patterns, among other things. For instance, when learning the idiomatic expression, kick the bucket, which means to die, you might visualize a person literally kicking a bucket before falling down, signifying death. This vivid, even slightly humorous image makes the phrase stick in your mind. There are several types of mnemonic devices, but we'll focus on the most relevant ones for learning idiomatic expressions. 1. Visualization. This involves creating a mental image to remember a phrase. The crazier and more detailed the image, the better. For example, for spill the beans, reveal a secret. Imagine someone literally tipping over a huge pot of beans in slow motion, each bean symbolizing a secret being revealed. 2. Rhyme. Rhyming phrases are more memorable. Even though idioms themselves might not rhyme, you can create a rhyming sentence around it. For instance, with break a leg, wish good luck, you might think, before you go on stage, remember to break a leg. It's not a plague. 3. Acronyms and acrostics. These are more applicable when remembering lists or sets of words. If you have a group of idioms about a similar topic, you could devise a memorable acronym or sentence using their initial letters. Implementing these techniques might seem tricky at first, but with consistent practice, you will soon find it becomes second nature. Let's go over some steps to get you started. 1. Choose the idiomatic expression. Start with an idiom that you find difficult to remember. For example, let the cat out of the bag, reveal a secret. 2. Decide on a mnemonic technique. Choose a technique that suits you best. Maybe visualization works well for you, or you prefer rhyme. 3. Create your mnemonic. Make a mental image or rhyme that relates to the idiom. 4. Let the cat out of the bag. You could imagine a cat jumping out of a bag and people gasping as they learn a secret. 4. Use it. Apply your mnemonic device whenever you review the idiom or practice it in conversation. The more you use it, the better it'll stick. That wraps up our introduction to using mnemonic devices and memory aids to learn idiomatic expressions in English. Remember, these are just tools to aid your memory, so don't worry if some techniques work better for you than others. The goal is to enhance your understanding and recall of idiomatic expressions, making your English more fluent and natural. Keep practicing, and in no time, you'll see significant improvements. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!